Okay, here I come. Here I come right here. Here I come. Here I come right here. Come here, woodpecker. Girl. Girl. Here. Come here and get this one out of my finger right here. Come on. Get this one out of my finger. Come on. Come on, hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Get this one out of my finger. Come on. Right here. Right here. Here. Get this one out of my finger. That's so scraggly right there. I don't know if you can see the side of that squirrel right there, but it looks real bad. Right here. Here. Right here. Here. Get them. I'm going to bust this up for the squirrel right here, for the birds. Come on, get on down there and get that one right down there. Come on. Get on the boat down here. Hurry up. I done forgot what I was going to do now. I'm looking at these pecans. I ain't even looking at the squirrel. That's Lockjaw right there. He's fixing to come down on the boat. He's going to wipe his mouth off, then he'll come down. There he comes. They'll get one of them pecans right there now. Here. Right here. Squirrel in the Japanese plum tree eating the bark off the tree. Oh, I'm gonna back up now. I'm gonna leave these pecans out here like this. Maybe the squirrels will get these and the bird can come get this. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna tell y'all what, y'all are a lot of work. Tell you what, feeding these squirrels and birds and raccoons is a lot of work. Are a lot of work. Is a lot of work. Okay, I don't know where the woodpecker went to. I hear her. She's talking somewhere. Oh, she's right above my head right there. Right there, right straight above my head. Don't you get above my head up there and do that stuff. I know what birds do when they get above your head. Come on, woodpecker. That's that girl woodpecker. She's up there talking to me. She's in that limb right there. I'm gonna stop this video. Squirrel, he's right there. You can see the head of a squirrel right here on this side of the tree. Squirrel, come on. Bird, come on. Woodpecker, come on. Female woodpecker, come on. Redhead. Oh, here comes the squirrel. That squirrel's redheaded. That squirrel, Lockjaw's redhead. I'm gonna stop this video. Stop.